Hey, how you doing? This is Moots KL Adventure. Thanks for stopping by. My name's Chad, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to talk a little bit about the channel, about how it got started, and why it got started, and what kind of videos you can expect to see and find on this channel. So, a little bit of background. This channel really kind of started whenever I was researching the next vehicle I wanted to purchase, and this was about 4 years ago. And I was looking around and I stumbled across, and I'd kind of seen them before, but the Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. So in my research, I was on YouTube looking around at videos on the Trailhawk, and ultimately decided that's what I wanted to go with. So while I was researching it, I was introduced to the world of overlanding. And so as I got the Cherokee and started driving, I got to thinking, I think I could make this into an overlanding rig. Sounds like a good time. Sounds like, taking the kids out, taking the family out, camping, running trails, something I'd like to do. Ended up spending 2 nights, 3 days on a 100-mile trek through Canyonlands, and ever since then, I've been hooked. So I ended up videoing a lot of that trip. I thought I'd make some videos for us to enjoy and remember the trip from. So when we got back, I edited those videos and put them up on YouTube to share with my family and friends. And I just enjoyed the process. I enjoyed going out on the adventure. I enjoyed filming it, enjoyed editing it. So with that, and also with really just not seeing a lot of YouTube channels with the Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk as kind of the overlanding vehicle that I wanted mine to become, I thought, why not? Why not start a channel on that? So that's where we're at. So what you're gonna see on this channel is you're gonna see modifications, installs, things like that as I continue to build this rig out, which I'm slow at doing, but over time we're going to continue to build on this, what we have right now. And then the other types of videos are going to be off-roading videos where we go out on day trips just out in the local area here in southwest Missouri, a little in Arkansas, so day trips, as well as some longer planned out multi-day overlanding trips. So that's really what you're going to see. So you see me and my family just out exploring, learning how to overland, and building an overlanding rig. So hey, if that's something that interests you, hit that subscribe button down low and come along for the ride.